Hi everybody, today I'd like to share with you an activity that I think is great both within the classroom and at home. This is a resource that you can make yourself or buy at the shops. I prefer homemade Play-Doh because it's softer and easier to use. You can encourage children to do things such as push, pull, squeeze, squash, roll, chop, cut, hammer, and I particularly like using it within my literacy lessons and numeracy lessons for letter formation work. So here I've already prepared some letters or some sausages, and then I would encourage the children to spell out their sight words just so that they can be considering what each word is made up of when they get to that stage. So here we are, nice and quick because I had the sausages rolled out already. Or you can do other things with them as well, using it to develop their language. It's a great way to encourage children visually to think about what it is that they're learning in their words. You could add essential oils, maybe add some natural materials, encourage the children to think of their own ways to use the Play-Doh to represent the words that they're learning. Thank you.